Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import Outlook 2007 data from backup. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load in your emails and prepare the application for the import process. Once you're logged in and your inbox is visible, you're ready to begin importing your backed up data. Now navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. Click on the File tab to open it. This is where you'll find all the essential options for managing your Outlook data, including importing and exporting files. Once the File menu has opened, look for the option labeled Open and Export and click on it. The menu will expand to reveal additional options. From this expanded menu, click on Import/Export. This will launch the Import and Export wizard window, which guides you through the process of bringing your backup data into Outlook. In the Import and Export wizard window, you'll see several options. Look for Import from another program or file and click on it to select it. This option allows you to bring data from external files into your Outlook account. Once you've selected it, click on Next to proceed to the next step. You'll now be prompted to choose a file type for your data. From the list that appears, select Outlook Data File, which is the format typically used for Outlook backups. After selecting it, click Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll reach the File to Import step. Here, click on the Browse button. This will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate through your computer's folders. Look for the backup file you wish to import and click on it to select it. Once you've located and selected the correct file, click Open in the File Explorer window. This will return you to the wizard with your selected file now displayed. Click Next to move forward. At this point, you'll see a preview of the content contained in your backup data. Take a moment to check and confirm that this is the correct backup you wish to import. This step ensures you're not accidentally importing the wrong file or overwriting important data. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Finish. Outlook will now begin importing your backup data, which may take a few moments depending on the size of the file. Give it time to complete the process, and once it's done, your Outlook 2007 data will be successfully restored and accessible in your account. And that's it! You've successfully imported your Outlook 2007 data from backup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.